It's hashtag TriviaTuesday at the Colorado Railroad Museum. This week, our question is, in what year was Lionel Corporation founded? Don't know the answer? Watch our latest episode of Small Wonders to find out. There is a link in the description below. Participants are invited to submit their responses as a comment on our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, website, or by email at info@crrm.org. Last video, we received 15 correct responses. Our winner, selected by random drawing, is AllanKnight, who responded on YouTube.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.